How to post a job in LinkedIn. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open LinkedIn, log into your account, then click on Jobs at the top. Then you will find Post a free job located at bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Add your job title. After that, at the bottom, you can write with AI, which will write your description, or simply click on Write on My Own. I'll simply click on Write on My Own. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up, and here, add company's name, workplace type, job location. After that, you can write descriptions with AI. After that, press on Next at the bottom. After that, you need to simply add your email address and make sure if degree is needed or not. Screen questions. You can also custom questions by clicking on Custom Question. From here, you can add your response type and ideal answer. After you're done, simply scroll down. You can also filter out and send rejections to applicant by clicking on tick mark. You can also preview by clicking on preview located at bottom left and see how your LinkedIn post looks like. After that, simply click on continue and you're good to go. This is how to post a job in LinkedIn. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.